Kureruka gwa KIRIMAARA ikuonete kumata BUNENE munini wa rais Rigathi Gachagua uria umite KIRIMAARA akioneka wikirwa mung'eng'ene jwa kwingwa ni seneti kiumia giki. Gachagua akamenya kethira ageta na mbere gutungatira Kenya ta munini wa rais na renande akenya nabo bonanite kurega kung'anirwa kwao kumania na bunge kwinga Gachagua. Morgan Mwiti ni agutariria siasa uria ikari kiri Gichunki gya siasa.
Munini wa rais Rigathi Gachagua kimegiki na mbirite rugendo rwo gwitetera ore Gichunki gikinene kia bunge ba Kenya kigitete gamba no mwankane gukurukira impeachment. Mbere ya miango ya impeachment ntuku ya Jumatatu ugoro Rigathi Gachagua akiariria andiki banteto ari obisine yawe ntere Ciaca na ugite ate wakinya gwa karatea atiumba gusheberia obisine.
When I called this press conference, there was a lot of speculation that Rigathi Gachagua wants to resign. This is a man elected by 7.2 million Kenyans. How dare you suggest to him that he can do so without public participation? I have no intention whatsoever to resign from this job. I'll fight to the end.
Kiri itiara yorire akuirikaneka akahanukagia rwanyirwa National Intelligence rutongeretwe ni Nurdin Haji. Gachagua naugite ati uti uthuku buryo ni untoe airitanire kumakiri rais Ruto rire ari munini wa rais nontu kagitende kau na akahanukagia George Kinoti uria wari mutongerio rwanyirwa Nthikiri.
President William Ruto as deputy president at one time criticized the then Director General of the National Intelligence Service. In another video, he heavily criticized the then Inspector General of Police for the performance. I have learned from my boss how this job is done. It's clear. It's done. I mean, nobody, the president is criticized daily. The deputy president is criticized daily. And we take no offense. The Director General of the National Intelligence Service is not above the law. He is a public officer. He is accountable to the people of Kenya.
Runene ntuku ya Jumaine rwariro kumweberia Gachagua obisine rwakinywa mbungene imubunge wa Kibwezi West Mwengi Mutuse arero wariru rwaria maitia 11
has persistently made utterances threatening to discriminate, exclude and unlawfully deny sections of the people of Kenya and regions of the Republic of Kenya equal opportunities for public service appointments and allocation of public resources.
Kali ni kampuni na ni ya shares. Sindio? Ni ya shares. Kuna wenye kampuni, wale wako na shares mingi, kuna wale wako na chache, kuna wale hawana. Sasa nyinyi muli-invest kwa hii kampuni ya William Ruto na Rigathi Gachagua.
Gross violation of Articles 147(1) and 152(1) of the Constitution by undermining the President and the Cabinet and the effective discharge of national government's executive mandate.
Mimi ningetaka wale watu ambaye walipata shida hii ya ubomoaji ambaye ni kitu tulikuwa tumeahidi wananchi haitafanyika kwa serikali yetu. Mimi ningetaka niwasikize na nitapanga na Mheshimiwa Meja Dong wakuje ndio tukue na nafasi ya kuongea. Tumekubaliana?
Mathene jogoro Rigathi Gachagua aikinyana aitetera nyumene kura ciaringwa abunge magana jeri ja 42 baringa yes kugwatorwa rirurumbaru nabo 42 baringa no kuregana naru na rwaria rurakuruka nyuma erorero gukuruka mbunge nenene nandi no mwanka rukurukire mbunge ya Senate. Bokumenya ni ati mbunge ya Senate ni areganira na ende kigero rorero kuthikira na kugitwa ikamiti ya maseneta ya 11.
I want to invite the senator for Nairobi, Senator Edwin Watenya Sifuna, to second this motion.
This is a matter that is extremely unique, that has elicited immense public attention, and therefore, Honorable Speaker, given the mood of the House and especially on the minority side, I respectfully decline to second that motion.
na kou inyomba yonthe ikaruthikira kenda kuonoka kiri mbunge ya Senate Gachagua aritia kura 23 kuringana na speaker wa Senate Jeff Amason Kingi. Senate ibanganitie nteto izi ithikirwe ntuku ya Jumatano na ntuku ya Alhamisi kiumia twitite.
And the Senate shall then investigate the matter in plenary on Wednesday the 16th and Thursday the 17th of October 2024. The Senate is accordingly guided.
Gachagua akeja kweberwa Rais Ruto akethirwa ari na kanyaga ntuku mugwanja kenda kwejana ritora munini wawe umweru kenda aungwa mauri mbunge nene, nayo mbunge ikajukia kagita kamweri jumwe kenda kurita mpumi chiayo okaunja unjene okau kuringana na mpumi cha kambuni othundhuria Infotrack ni ati gichunji kia 20 kirigana gia Kenya kirendekithia ati Professor Kithure Kindiki atuike munini wa rais kethwa Rigathi Gachagua akeberwa. Amona bangi barabendekithitwe ni ya Kenya ni gavana wa Kirinyaga Anne Waiguru, Raila Odinga, Ndende Nyoro na Gladys Wanga. Indi gichunje kiria kinene burugi ya Kenya kia 60 bobariuga igwite ura gugeta. Oreu mwandiki munene wa kiama kia Jubilee Jeremiah Kioni na ugite ati Rais Ruto akieja gucokia giti kiu kia munini wa rais ntere cha Mount Kenya igitireja kureta murutira jo gisiasa.
Do not allow this thing to become a community issue where it is one community against all the others, and that's why I'm saying hii kiti ya deputy ambayo Ruto amechukua apeleke kwingine, aache kuileta Mount Kenya, kwa sababu unaileta Mount Kenya kutupiganisha na makabila zingine. And again, after what you are doing with this impeachment, any person occupying that seat yeye atakuwa kadori tu, ile unachika unafucheza naye na watoto. You are zero. So wewe unachukua hiyo kiti, don't ever bother telling us that you are really a deputy of any sort. That thing has now been reduced to a puppet position and it can be taken elsewhere for many reasons.
Morgan Mwiti, Gichunki kia siasa, Weru TV.